After you've added one or more of your works to Scholar Commons, you'll have access to useful insights into the ways that others are using your research. You can view real-time usage reports and readership information for your individual and collective works through your author dashboard. Let's look at how you can use these tools to help you understand and visualize the impact of your work. To access your author dashboard, first navigate to scholarcommons.sc.edu and select My Account. If you aren't logged in, enter your username and password. Under the header titled Dashboard Tools, select Author Dashboard. Once you've entered the dashboard, you'll see three tabs in the left toolbar: Readership, Usage Reports, and Share the Dashboard. In the middle, you'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to view all of your works or to select individual items. On the far right, you'll see a calendar symbol that will allow you to filter the dashboard to show information from the past 30 days, last month, past 90 days, all time, or to select a custom date range. Let's take a closer look at the information that's available to you in the left toolbar. In the Readership tab, the first feature you'll notice is a readership distribution map. This map reflects download counts by location. You can zoom in or out of the map using the plus and minus signs. Or you can click on a color-coded cluster marker to view a region in more detail. To see a larger version of the map, select Toggle Full Screen View in the upper right corner of the map, or click again to return to the smaller version. Moving on, the next feature you'll see is the Institutions widget. It displays full text downloads from organizations and universities that have been identified by their IP address. The color-coded graph shows a percentage of downloads by institution type. You can easily export this data into a CSV file. You can also select an institution for more detailed information and can export that full institutional data as well. Next, the Countries table shows downloads by country. To see individual level details for a selected country, select the arrow to the left of the entry. Like with the Institutions widget, this data can be exported as a CSV file by clicking Export. Below, you can click on a country to view its color-coded regional distribution. The last readership feature is a referrers list, which will show you the sources of inbound traffic to your full-text documents. This feature is useful for helping you to understand how others are finding and accessing your works. Next, let's take a look at usage reports. The Downloads widget, found at the very top, will display the total number of downloads for the time period selected. If you'd like to include download counts for supplemental files like datasets that are included with your works, check the Include Additional Files box. You can hover over a bar on the graph to see corresponding download counts. The shorter the time period selected, the more detailed this data will be. Similarly, you can view metadata page hits to view traffic to the metadata pages, which are the landing pages that display information about the works. And in the last feature, the Works table, you'll see a list of all your works, similar to the drop-down at the top. You can use this feature to adjust the widgets to reflect information about that particular work, and can click the arrow to access the work. On this page, you'll see the public-facing download count. Next, let's look at how you can share your dashboard. This tab allows you to share your dashboard for either all of your works or for a certain work during a selected time period by generating a link that can be copied and sent to others. They won't need login credentials to view the dashboard. And that is how you can navigate and share the impact and usage metrics found in your author dashboard. One additional feature to note is the PlumX metrics, which are incorporated into Scholar Commons. On the metadata pages, for most of your works, you'll see the PlumX PlumPrint widget below the download count. This widget allows you to view real-time activity surrounding your work from a collection of sources, including where the work was originally published if it was first published elsewhere. The PlumPrint depicts information on usage, captures, mentions, social media shares, and citation counts. You can click on the PlumPrint for greater detail. With an abundance of readership and usage metrics available through Scholar Commons, you'll have plenty of information to help you understand the reach and impact of your scholarly works.